Alright guys, we're at the late start of Sleaford Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with AB trains. Did the Langworth on me? I was literally there and then it went off. Ugh. I'm so mad at you right now. There we go, now the time now is 13:22 on Friday the 28th of October 2016. This is for our 13:26 to Tango 46 Eastman's train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. Oh! Early! 153357. One 53357 to Lincoln and there you go. This guy's next video.